Hey learner, it's time to secure your spot in the SCORE scholarship exam. Follow these 6 easy steps to register for the exam. First things first, go to the Sri Chaitanya website, click on the Register Now button. Step 2, you'll see a pop-up asking for your grade. Select yours. Step 3, here's something you might have not seen before. Our platform now lets you select your preferred learning format all in one single platform. If you are interested in scholarship for Sri Chaitanya schools and colleges, select option 1. If you are interested in a scholarship for after-school offline coaching for JEE and NEET, then select option 2. If you are interested in scholarships for online courses, select option 3. Step 4. Add in your phone number and you will receive an OTP. Put in the OTP and fill out your details. Step 5. Select your state and area details. Step 6. Fill in your exam preferences. Pick your preferred date and time slot. Then make the payment and that's it. You've officially registered for SCORE. In just 6 simple steps, you've taken the step toward winning big. So what are you waiting for? Start your registration now and let's turn your knowledge into rewards.